Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of the Real Nesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. You guys, back again for another unboxing video. This is all for all my aquarium lovers. This unboxing right here for you. I got two fish tanks. You know, this is the first fish tank I got right here. I got it upstairs. It's like a backup tank, so I put all my fish I had in here because I was having trouble with my other fish tank here. This particular fish tank was just the algae eaters were dying for some reason. I don't know why the algae eaters were dying. So what I did is I just totally cleaned and gutted the tank and put all the other fish up here in the other tank. And then I realized that I had an undergravel filter, so I just got rid of the undergravel filter, and I got what we get ready to unbox today. So let's get into it. What I got here, and basically, let's unbox this baby. I'm gonna show you. Hopefully, I don't think I gotta use my knife, but I got the big boy. Check this out. Ooh, yes, sir. That's right, you guys. I went out and got the big boy. This is the SunSun outside filter. It's basically an outside filter, but you can use it for aquarium. This is the big boy. This is an external aquarium filter. You can also use it on ponds too if you got a small pond. This is by SunSun. SunSun is a multi-layer. It's full of various filter materials, high efficiency on breeding nitro bacteria, perfect filtration capability, and it's a touch of perfection. As you can see, these are all the items that are supposed to be. This is model outside filter. It uses outside filter HW302. So these are all the items that should be in here. You got the cover, the buckle, the ballistic pan. So we're gonna go through this. I'm gonna just read from off the. Better have everything. I bought this thing brand new, so it better have everything in here. Nice little case. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. Okay. It's open like that. So let's take this out. This should be all the components there. What else we got in here? Oh, this is the main filter right here. Big boy. Whoa. Let's bring this out. There's the box right there. Let's just sit the box on the side. Actually, I'm going to just sit this right here. This is the main event. So let's just start with this. Open this baby up. Woo, yeah. Man, this is, oh yeah, I like this boy. Beast mode. I don't have a pond. I just got an aquarium, but this thing is beastie. Here's your power cord right here. And see, this is model HW302. There's your intake and outtake valves right there. Let's flip this baby around. You open it up like that. There's a little latch. You just open it up like that. Oh, you got latches on both sides. So you pop that up. Make sure. Let me make sure. You know me doing stuff. Yeah. You just open that up. Does it go all the way up? Oh, okay. Yeah, it go all the way up. Okay. Oh, I ain't want to break it because I'm known. My wife get on me for just breaking stuff all the time. So those two come up. This one got to look like a little locking mechanism. Ooh, it's another one in the back. And it's another one in the back. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. So you pop that open. And that's it. You go. You have your intake, your outtake valves right there. This doesn't come out, does it? No, it's just covered. And inside of here, you got your main mesh. Let me actually read it off. That way I ain't telling you guys the wrong thing. So this is part number 8. Number 8 is the draining skep cover. And then inside of here, you got multiple baskets. Actually, right here, I bought extra of these. So these are ceramic filter rings. I bought some more because when I read it, they give you 3 of these things, but they only give you enough for 2 initially. So I bought this to fill up the 3rd one because I want to use all 3. So these are the ceramic rings. They give you a bag of those here. And then you have another little filtering a little cotton right here inside there. So that's what you got right there. And like I said, I bought some extra. There. What else we have in here? These filters right here are called the Bio Ball. They are optional, but I'm going to use them anyway. I want to have as much filtration as I can. These are the Bio Ball. And you also have finally an active carbon layer too. That's optional, but we're going to use all three of them. Why not? You got the big boy, you might as well use all three. Bio Ball, ceramic ring, and the active carbon. Looks, tank water level right there. Tank intake water level. So you got 3 levels of filtration. 1, 2, and 3. And then that goes on top, and then you know that goes right there. So that's the whole pump setup right there. This is just an unboxing video. And inside here, here's all your accessories. Of course, these are your 2 hoses. One is for intake, one is for outtake. Inside here, these are 2 on the top. So this basically would go, this goes up in here, and then you put your hoses on here and attach that. Let me see what the name of those, what was the name of those things? What did that, see, it don't even say on it. If you guys know the name of those, oh yeah, see, it's just like the box. It don't even say the name of that second filtration level. Yeah, more accessories right here. These are your plastic screw, your hose locker. Let me open that up. So basically, on your tank, this goes up on your tank right here, and then you lock it in on your tank. As this way, you lock it in on your tank, and then you know that goes back down to the hose. One is the intake, one is the outtake. Make sure, and then you have another little filter here. This can hold the hose against the side. So yeah, we're gonna squab all that up. So I want to make sure I'm not confusing anything, because I am gonna read the instructions this time with this. And then same thing here, same thing. You got another loop, and another tie down for that. So that's the whole setup. This is the canister filter by SunSun. All your instructions. Make sure you read the instructions. I will be reading the instructions this time, setting this up. So hey, I think I might make a video with the setup. So definitely stay tuned for that. Be on the lookout for the setup video. I ain't gonna do it right now. This is just unboxing, but make sure you guys definitely check it out. As always, you know I'm gonna have a link in the description for this bad boy. I think this was around $85. SunSun big boy filter. So if you have trouble, you know, with your aquarium, or you got a small outdoor little pond, this is what you want, big boy style. Leave those over the back stuff alone. Hey, see you on the next one.